baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys how I made these lovely wall sconces using items from the Dollar Tree. Alright everyone, here's the items that we'll be using to make our wall sconces today. And remember, everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to check out what they are and where you can get them. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, we have this mirror here that we'll be using, and we have these blocks, these tumbler blocks, and we have some E6000 and our glue gun. So we just separate the mirror, because we're just going to be using the frame, and just push the tabs back down, and we're going to place them flat down, and then we're going to glue our blocks going around our our mirror frame in a pattern. Now, I would like to mention that these tumbling tower game blocks, I'm so glad that I found them over here. Now, I seen this these blocks being used by Dazzling Designs by Denise here on YouTube. Is my YouTube's craft sister. She's a DIYer too, and she used these tumbling tower game blocks. I can't pronounce that right. Anyways, she made some lovely designs with them also, and I've been searching for them because you know in Canada we don't always get the same things, just like you guys sometimes don't get the same things that we get over here, and I couldn't find them, and I was so happy when I went to Dollar Tree and I saw them. I started to jump for joy, so I picked up some to make this design. Now I'm going to leave a link below to Dazzling Designs by Denise for you guys to go over and check out her channel because she does some lovely designs also. Okay, we're just going to continue with our design. Put 5 on the bottom and 4 on the top, going all the way around, and just the 2 rows. Next, I'm going to take our frame outside, let it sit for about an hour, and I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to spray paint it with the silver paint. Now that our frame is dry, we're just going to take these rhinestones and bling out our frame. And now we'll be adding some bling wrap to our design. Now where the blocks go onto the frame, there's some imperfections with the glue. So I'm just going to use this thin layer of bling wrap going all the way around, just to cover up where the blocks and the frame meet together. And now we're going to be using strips of the bling wrap and bling out our candle holders. Now we're just going to add back our mirror back into our frame. And then we're just going to use some glue to help reinforce the back of the frame to keep it down. And then I'll be using some popsicle sticks in the four corners just to make sure that our mirror frames hold in place, because the candle holders are going to go on it. I just want to secure it down. So we're just going to put some popsicle sticks to help do that. Next, we're going to take one of the small mirrors from the Dollar Tree and we're going to glue it right down to the center. And now we're going to take our candle holder with some E6000 and some hot glue, and we're going to glue it right down to the center of our design. And we will let it sit overnight, you guys. Don't move it. Don't let it tilt. We'll let it sit overnight so it dries properly. And here's our finished design, you guys. I think they look very nice. Two lovely mirrored wall sconces using items from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm going to take some command strips, which I use the medium command strips, and to hang up these pictures I use 3 of the medium command strips. One on the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. And you have to press them down very good, you guys. Press the command strips down very good onto this, onto the back of this, and then when you put it on the wall, you press it again onto the wall when you're hanging them up. And please clean whichever surface you're putting them on. Just wipe the area of the wall that you're putting them on, let the area dry, and then you put up whatever you're hanging. I know a lot of you complain that sometimes they fall off and stuff like that, but I've never had that problem, and I hope this little tip that I give you helps you also. Alright everyone, leave me a comment and tell me what you think of these 2 wall sconces that I made. So leave me a comment down below. Press that thumbs up button. Leave me a like. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you can get notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you guys. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to do today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone.